Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Kahoot account and how to create your own quiz game. Let's start. Kahoot is an online game-based learning platform. It allows teachers, organizations, and parents to set up fun web-based learning for others. First, open your browser. Then go to kahoot.com. In this step, click on Sign Up. In the first step, choose your account type. For example, let me choose Personal. Then choose who will you play Kahoot with most often. For example, I want to play it with my friends and family. After that, enter your date of birth. Select Continue. Then enter any name you like, and this is your username. After that, click on Continue. In this step, you should enter your email address. Also, you have option to sign up with your Gmail, Microsoft, Apple, and Clever account. Otherwise, enter your email address here. Then enter your password. After that, click on Sign Up. We want to use this application for free, so choose Basic option. Great. Now I want to create a quiz game. Only thing I have to do is select Create here. Here you can use ready-made questions. Let me show you. Really nice. Click on Exit. Now I want to make a quiz myself. Select Create again. After that, choose Create. Then upload your questions and adding your answers here. After that, check the correct answer. Also, you have option to change the time limit or points. If you want to add more questions, click on Add Question here. And finally, select Save. In this step, Kahoot gives you a game pin. By giving this pin to others, they can participate in this quiz very fast. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions or would like me to clarify anything else, please let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you soon in the next video.